Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. As you can see here, it is laundry day here in the Davis household. And it's the perfect time for me to do a tag that I have been tagged in called the Laundro-chat. So we're just gonna jump right in. Now, this Laundro-chat was started by my beautiful sister, This and That, with Denise Jordan. And what she does with her Laundro-chats on her channel, she just does laundry and she picks a topic to talk about on her channel to share with her family. And she created a tag, and I've been tagged. I've been tagged by one of my beautiful sisters, my other sister, Create with Cindy. So hello Denise and hello Cindy. Now at the end of this chat, I will be tagging two of my sisters. Now guys, this is real life here. As you can hear in the background, my washer and my dryer is going. I do have laundry here to get done. So we're gonna jump right in and get my laundry folded so I can get it put away, and we're gonna chit chat. Now, when I was talking, or not talking, but when I was thinking of a topic to talk about, I thought about Mother's Day being right around the corner. Literally right around the corner. So I was like, okay, let's talk about being a mom and a wife. Now, I'll tell you a little bit about myself just in case you don't know. I am married. Have been married for 27 years, a little over 27 years, to my husband, my one and only husband. Let me say that. And out of this marriage, I have 4 sons. So I have an amazing husband and I have 4 amazing sons. So I'm a little qualified to talk about what we're going to chat about today. Now, I'm going to start off about what being a mom means to me, and we'll go on from there. Now, I had shared in a previous video that I wanted to base, and have been basing, my channel off of being a Proverbs 31 woman. And that is biblical teachings. Now today's chat, I won't go there because some of y'all don't like that, and that's okay. I'll keep it real though, and I won't go there so much preachy. Everything that I talk about will be from there, and I'll just pull out a few pointers here and there to touch bases on, because it is quite a bit of information and I don't want this video to be too long. But I'm going to start off with being a mom. Now, being a mom is a remarkable gift. It is a privilege from God that I do not, or have not, taken lightly. Being a mom means being fearless, a positive role model to your children. Being there for your children, supporting them every step of the way in whatever they decide to do in life. So when they reach for the stars, you are right there cheering them on. Being a mom means that many sacrifices are made. Your life, your body, your time, sleep, finances, definitely finances, right? And your mental health. And I can go on and on and on with a laundry list of things. But if I had to do it all over again, you know what? I would. Because I love my family, I love my husband, and I love my kids. Motherhood is the hardest non-paying 24/7 job you could ever do. It is the greatest achievement. Now all of my boys, they are adults now, and they know I'm mom first, but they know they can come and talk to me or their dad about any and everything. And we're not only their parents or their mom or their dad, but we are a friend. Now, I am my kids' friend now. I was their friend then when they were little, but not being a friend, caving into any and everything that they wanted. But I am a friend to my parents. I am a friend to my children, my young adult children now. All right. So that's what motherhood or being a mom means to me. Now I'm going to flip it a little bit. That's dealing with motherhood and Mother's Day. Let me touch on being a Proverbs 31 wife. And I said I was not going to go scripture by scripture. I'm not going to read off scriptures to you, but I'm going to touch bases on a few things. I'm going to start off with the one that every woman, I'm not going to say every woman, some women, a lot of women have a problem with, and that's being supportive or submissive to their husbands. Let me go back and just step back for a sec. Yeah, I went there from the jump. I went there from the jump. Yes, I did. It's hard to be well respected if your own family, your own wife, mainly, don't support you. Because if that wife don't support you, it's going to trickle down to the kids. All right? So you have to be supportive of your husband. And I can't speak to the aspect of what the husband should. I could, but that should come from a man. I'm coming from a woman's point of view. A husband will do well if he has a woman, a supportive woman, a supportive wife by his side. All right? You set the stage. You set the tempo in your household. You are the gatekeeper in your household. Now, I often tell my kids, I can tell when energy shifts in my home. Know my home's energy very well. So I am the gatekeeper of my home. And I protect it at all cost. And I definitely have to say this. because I did it for over 25 years with my hubby, and he's retired now. But anything that he wanted to do, even with his job, I didn't hold him back, because I am his helpmate, as they say in the Bible. I'm his helpmate. I'm supposed to be there to support him. Now I'm gonna read this. This is scripture here, all right? This portion here, but we see this scripture in a lot of stores that we shop in, all right? She is clothed with strength and dignity. She can laugh at the days to come. She speaks with wisdom, and faithful instruction is on her tongue. She watches over the affairs of her household and does not eat the bread of idleness. Her children arise and call her blessed, her husband also, and he praises her. Many women do noble things, but you surpass them all. Charm is deceitful, and beauty is fleeting. But a woman who fears the Lord is to be praised. Honor her for all that her works have done, and let her works bring her praise at the city gates. Now that to me is self-explanatory. That is self-explanatory. All right? We need to carry ourselves. Keep it classy. And this world that we live in, sorry to say, a lot of women don't. A lot of women don't. But we need to keep it classy. We need to be dignified, walking in strength, take care of our households, and work hard in our homes. You will be praised not only by your family, but you're doing the work of God. All right? And I'm going to leave it at that, because guess what? My laundry is done. Now, if you want to talk more about this topic, let me know in the comments section below. I was trying to make it a little brief, just in the time limit of what I was doing with my laundry, because there is so much more information that I could share with you. But yeah, let me know in the comments below if you want to chit chat a little bit more about this topic. I would like to thank Denise and Cindy for this opportunity. Now I get to tag some people. So let me see who I'm gonna tag. Didn't think that one through yet. I'm tagging those two people. So I hope you've enjoyed this chit chat. I know it was a little serious, and I could have went so much in depth, y'all. Y'all know I could have went so much in depth. But thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.